Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Nadia. I do makeup, lifestyle and fashion videos. Today's video is how I got this look under 5 minutes, guys. There are a few blunders here and there, but if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please continue watching. So I'm going to try and do my makeup in 5 minutes, guys. This is a big task because generally I take 20 to half an hour, sometimes even longer to do my makeup. But today I thought let me try and do my makeup in 5 minutes and let's see what happens. So I have my phone here and I'm just going to set the timer, guys, and yeah, for 5 minutes, and let's just get to this. I'm kind of nervous, but let's just see what happens in 5 minutes if we can do a full face of makeup. Not necessarily a full face because I'm not going to use foundation, but an option. And yeah, let's just see what happens. So I started the timer. So first I'm going to take the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. It's oil free. I'm just going to put that onto my fingers and rub it and just put it all over my face. It's tinted, so it does give me a little bit of coverage, plus it has SPF, so that's pretty good. So next I'm going to quickly do my eyes. I'm using the e.l.f. palette Matte for Matte, and I'm just taking a brush. I'm not going to do anything fancy, but I'm just going to take a little bit of this color and quickly just put that literally all over my eye. I've literally picked up the wrong brush to do this, but it's a challenge for me to do a full face of makeup. So I'm just going in with one color like that, and I'm going to take the same brush because I don't have the time. I'm going to go with a slightly lighter color and just blend that over that because I don't want it like too much. So yeah, actually I've done it wrong. I should have done the light color first and then the dark color, but anyway, now I'm taking a darker color from the palette and just sort of putting that in the outer. This is makeup going wrong, but we have to work with it and see what we can do, guys. I'm quickly going to take a pencil. This is the Chanel Crayon Precision Pencil, and I'm going to line my eyes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have never got ready in 5 minutes, but yeah, we're going to try and do that. I don't think it's time for correction. And then I'm going to take the MAC Zoom Fast Black Lash and put that on my lashes. I'm obviously not going to put falsies. I'm not going to try them today because I have 5 minutes. What am I saying? Oh my god. Yeah, so I have bits and pieces touching my... it's so fast. Now I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Powder, and I'm just going to take a brush, whichever brush I find, and I'm just going to sort of contour a little bit and bronze a little bit of my cheeks and a little bit up there, some here. Oh my god. And then I'm going to take the same brush and I'm using the NARS blush and just going to blush my cheeks. And then I'm going to do my brows quickly, so I'm just going to brush that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is tough, guys. This is tough. So I'm just going to quickly, I'm not going to do anything fancy, but just sort of fill in the blanks here. I don't know if it's okay. Okay, my dog is going mental. I always have a dog part in my video. So I've kind of locked him out of my room and he's going to be yelling now. But I don't have time to let him go. Let him loose. come into my room at the moment, so I think I'm okay with my brows. What else? There's some highlighter. I'm using the Becca highlighter. This is a cream highlighter, which is a mistake. Just put it like that, here and here. So this makeup, really, I'm just going into the city just to run a few errands, and yeah, I think I made a mess, guys. I made a mess. Oh my god, I made a mess. Little bit on my nose like that. Oh my god, this is a blunder, guys. But yeah, just a little bit there, and yeah, that's, I think, about it. And then for my lips, I'm going in with the Clinique lipstick, and I'm going and I think that's it. So yeah, that is my full face of makeup in 5 minutes, guys. So what do you think? Let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It was quite funny to shoot this under 5 minutes. I have never ever done my makeup under 5 minutes, and yeah, now I know that I can actually do my makeup in 5 minutes and head out the door. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. Until next time, love you all. Bye.